Hello viewers, this is IGKO paper for class 3 for the year 2020 set B previous year paper with answers at the end of video. Now write your answers as you read the question and check your answers at the end of video. First section is general awareness. Question 1. Which of the following is a harvest festival of India? Harvest festival of India. A. Onam, B. Eid, C. Good Friday, D. Ganesh Chaturthi. Which toy duck is third to the right of fifth toy duck from the left end? Now you have to find the third duck to the right of fifth toy duck from the left end. So start with the left end. First find the fifth toy duck and then go to the right and found the third duck. Which organs forms urine in the body? Now see the pictures and identify which organ forms urine in the body. Fourth, plants use a gas called dash to prepare their food. Oxygen, nitrogen, argon, carbon dioxide. So which gas plant used to prepare their food? Question 5th. Which of the following animal gnaws its food? Which animal gnaws its food? Now see the picture and identify the animal. Which of the following is not an extinct animal? Woolly mammoth, Tasmanian tiger, saber-toothed cat, D. red panda. So which is not an extinct animal? 7th. Which of the following musical instruments does the musician shown in the picture play? Now musician in the picture is Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma. So which instrument does he play? Choose from options A, B, C, D. The famous personality shown in the picture was the president of. Now see the picture. It is a famous personality and it is president of A. USA, B. South Africa, C. Egypt, D. Sudan. Question 9. Which of the following materials is a good conductor of electricity? Now which material is good conductor of electricity? A. Silver, B. Wood, C. Plastic, D. Rubber. So science is generally asked in IGQ paper, so be prepared for that. Question 10th. The path that a planet takes as it revolves around the sun in space is called its A. Orbit, B. Track, C. Trail, D. Axle. What type of energy is stored in the battery? What energy is stored in the battery? A. Chemical energy, B. Kinetic energy, C. Gravitational energy, D. Elastic energy. Give one word for the following. A. Group of stars. Now give one word for group of stars. Now options are A. Sky, B. Cloud, C. Constellation, D. Planet. Question 13. Which of the following is the homophone of the word heal? Which is the homophone of the word heal? A. Here, B. Heat, C. Heal, D. Here. Through which of the following states does the Aravalli range pass? A. Bihar, B. Rajasthan, C. Tamil Nadu, Assam. 15th. What is the author of the book The Witches? Roald Dahl, B. J.K. Rowling, C. Leo Tolstoy, D. George Orwell. Author of the book The Witches. 16. Which of the following disease is caused by drinking contaminated water? Now which disease caused by drinking contaminated water? A. Cholera, B. Asthma, C. Diabetes, D. Dengue. Which of the following is used to send written messages instantly? A. Postcard, B. Fax, C. Courier, D. Inland letter. So which option is used to send messages instantly? 18th. The road sign shown in the picture means, now see the road sign. What does it mean? A. No U-turn. B. No parking. C. No right turn. D. No overtaking. Identify the yogasana shown in the picture. Now see the yogasana shown in the picture. A. Dhanurasana. B. Balasana. C. Gomukhasana. D. Bhujangasana. 20. Identify the famous footballer shown in the picture. A. Cristiano Ronaldo. D. Lionel Messi. C. David Beckham. D. Neymar. Current affairs. 21. Who among the following won the Padma Vibhushan Award in 2020? Who won Padma Vibhushan Award in 2020? A. Ajay Chakrabarti. B. Mary Kom. C. Zahir Khan. D. Shyam Sundar Sharma. 22. Who is the current Minister of External Affairs of India? Current Minister of External Affairs of India. A. Nirmala Sitaram. B. Subramanyam Jaishankar. C. Piyush Goyal. D. Smriti Irani. 23rd. The first human cases of COVID-19 were reported in A. Wuhan. B. Jakarta. C. New Delhi. D. Washington. Which is the current Prime Minister of Japan? A. Yoshihide Suga. B. Joko Widodo. C. Jacinda Ardern. D. Boris Johnson. Which is current Prime Minister of Japan? 25th. On which day is Labor Day celebrated every year? March 8, May 8, March 1, May 1. Life skills. 26th. You see two of your classmates fighting in the corridor. What should you do? A. You should ignore them and leave from there. B. You should stand there and watch their whole fight. C. You should encourage one of them to argue more. D. You should try to stop them. 27th. We must wash our hands. A. After using the toilet. B. Before sleeping. C. After studying. D. Before watching TV. 28th. Which safety measure one can follow in the house? A. Do not lean over a balcony railing. B. Always walk on the footpath. C. Cross the road at zebra crossing. D. Follow the traffic rules. Now, which safety measure you follow in the house? Question 29th. If your teacher asks you to help your classmates who need help in studies, what will you do? A. You will not help him as he may score better more than you. B. Tell your classmate that you will only help him if he does something for you in return. C. You will happily help your classmate. D. You will ask some other classmate to help him as you do not like him. Who should you hold a door for? For no one, for only those whom you like. C. For only those who are older than you. D. For anyone coming closely behind you. Achiever section. Refer to the list of animals. Black buck, Asiatic lion, blue whale, Bengal tiger, American flamingo. Select the option that correctly identifies the endangered animal. Now select the option which identify endangered animals. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option. Now in column 1 country names are given, in column 2 flags are given. So match the correct country with the correct flag. Which of the following tools in MS Paint is used to convert the picture 1 into picture 2 as shown in the given images? Now see picture 1 and picture 2. So which tools in MS Paint is used to convert the picture 1 into picture 2? Now choose from the option A, B, C, D. 34. How many times India has won the ICC Men's Cricket World Cup? How many times India has won the ICC Men's Cricket World Cup? A1, B2, C3, D0. 35th. If mango plus pineapple is 220, mango plus apple is rupees 120, mango plus apple plus pineapple is 260, then find the value of mango. Now From equation 2, mango plus apple is 120. So in equation 3, put this value, mango plus apple 120. So you will get the value of pineapple, and then put the value of pineapple in equation 1, you will get the value of mango. Check your answers here. You can see the answers of all questions here. Thanks for watching. If the video is useful, like, share and subscribe.